Reynolds number Re is equal to V into D into rho by eta. V is equal to velocity of bloodstream, D is equal to diameter of the vessel, rho is equal to density of blood, eta is equal to viscosity of blood. When the number is above 2000, flow becomes turbulent. When viscosity eta increases, the number decreases. It may be noted that it is a dimensionless number. It is a ratio of local and convective forces to viscous forces. Viscous forces are secondary to viscosity of the blood and shear forces developed along the vessel wall. What is the significance of this number in the cardiovascular system? As mentioned above, when the number is above 2000, flow becomes turbulent. Otherwise, the chance of having a murmur or bruit increases. Now we know the parameters which will determine a murmur. Velocity of bloodstream, diameter of the vessel, and density of the blood increases the murmur, while viscosity of blood has an inverse relationship.